Hey Young,
Hi.
nice to meet you.
Hi.
Could you tell me more about yourself?
So my name is Sharah, and I'm currently doing my PhD at the Healthy Longevity Translational Research Program here in NUS. My academic background is in biomedical science, and the past few years I've worked in different places like clinical diagnostics, biotech startup, and academic labs. So you can say I've been everywhere, and I've done a bit of everything.
Oh wow, that's amazing. So where are you mostly based at?
Yeah, I can show you around. Let me show you here.
Awesome.
So I spent most of my time here in the stem cell culture room where I grow neural stem cells. And the goal really is to keep these stem cells happy and healthy so that I can study their behavior under different conditions.
Oh, that's great. So could you tell me more about your research?
So my research is about neural stem cells, and I find neural stem cells super fascinating. And that's because they are the sole source of neurons in the brain. And this process is called neurogenesis, and it's super important in keeping our brain sharp, helping with learning, memory, and overall cognitive function throughout our lifetime. But as we age, neurogenesis declines, and one of the reasons is because these stem cells, as like any other cells in the body, they age. And so they become less active, more prone to stress, and basically stop working altogether. And when that happens, our brains are unable to form new neurons, and that can affect our memory, overall cognitive function, and increase the risk of developing neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's disease. So my research focuses on understanding how neural stem cells age, and more importantly, what might we be able to do to reverse it. But there's another layer to this. So I'm also really interested in circadian rhythm. So circadian rhythm is our body's internal biological clock, and they are key regulators of these stem cells. So when circadian rhythm is disrupted, either by poor sleep, shift work, or even natural aging, they can affect the way these stem cells behave, and this can lead to a decline in neurogenesis. In fact, both disrupted circadian rhythm and neurogenesis decline have been shown to occur concomitantly in Alzheimer's disease patients. So in addition to my research, I also want to explore whether realigning circadian rhythm in these aging neural stem cells can potentially restore, potentially rejuvenate, and restore their ability to produce new neurons again. Yeah.
Wow, that sounds like a lot of work. So I guess your time is mostly spent on research?
Well, yes, I guess. A big chunk of my time is spent on research, whether it's culturing cells, running experiments, and even analyzing data. But I always make time for other things in life too. So I'm actually the chair of the Young Scientist Club, where we organize events, seminars, and workshops that help to promote a very vibrant community to build our young scientists to become not only technically equipped, but to be confident, purpose-driven, and visible. So yeah, I also enjoy doing science content on my IG. So I do a lot of fun reels on PhD life, lab hacks, and just the general ups and downs of a PhD student. And when I'm not doing that, I'm at the gym working on my gains.
Thank you so much, Sharah, for taking us around. How can we learn more about you?
So my Instagram account is right down here. You can give me a follow. I post a lot about fun reels and and lab hacks as well. So you can give me a follow. I'll also be moderating the Q&A for the later part of the webinar. So if you have any questions or any thoughts, don't forget to just drop them down below, and I'll see you there. Thank you.